The GoPro Hero 14. Black has finally arrived, and it's already shaking up the action camera world. GoPro is calling this their most powerful model ever, but is it truly a revolutionary leap forward or just another incremental upgrade from last year's Hero 13? Well, today on GadgetVerse, we're putting it to the test to find out. From its dazzling new displays and AI-powered features to the jaw-dropping 8K video performance, the Hero 14 promises to deliver something extraordinary for creators, adventurers, and everyday storytellers alike. Let's start with the design. GoPro has refined that classic rugged look. It feels more premium, compact, and grippy in hand. It's built tougher, with even better waterproofing and a smarter battery system that lasts longer and recharges faster. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or capturing city adventures, this thing is ready for anything. Now that front display, wow! It's brighter, sharper, and perfect for vloggers who want to frame their shots on the go. The rear touchscreen feels smoother than ever. Every swipe and tap responds instantly. It's clear GoPro finally nailed that sweet balance between raw performance and user-friendly design. But here's where the Hero 14 truly flexes its muscles. Video performance. You're getting stunning 8K recording at 30 frames per second, delivering breathtaking detail that rivals professional cameras. For slow-motion lovers, 4K at 240 frames per second gives you that buttery smooth cinematic effect that's simply addictive to watch. And let's talk stabilization. GoPro's new Hypersmooth 6.0 feels like pure wizardry. Even when you're sprinting, diving, or tackling rough trails, your footage looks steady, like it was shot on a gimbal. Combine that with time warp, horizon lock, and cinematic modes, and you've got endless creative possibilities right in your pocket. The upgraded image sensor is another huge step forward. It captures richer colors, sharper details, and performs beautifully in low light. Perfect for nighttime shots or dim interiors. HDR support adds a natural, cinematic balance between shadows and highlights, giving every frame that professional polish. Connectivity and software have also evolved. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth transfers are faster, and the GoPro app now feels smoother than ever. The coolest part? New AI-powered editing suggestions that automatically pick your best clips and create stunning short videos. Ideal for creators who want quick results without hours of editing. GoPro hasn't forgotten customization either. The Hero 14 supports most previous mounts, but now includes fresh modular add-ons, like advanced microphones, extra battery packs, and new lens attachments. It's designed to adapt to your creative vision, no matter what you're shooting. In short, the GoPro Hero 14 Black isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement. It delivers 8K brilliance, unmatched stabilization, smarter software, and exceptional durability. Whether you're a pro filmmaker or just someone who loves capturing life in motion, this camera feels like a major step forward. So, what do you think? Is the Hero 14 the ultimate action camera, or are you waiting to see what comes next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to GadgetVerse, and tap that notification bell so you never miss the latest in cutting-edge tech. Until next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and keep exploring with GadgetVerse.